Welcome back. Today's gonna be a quick video. Um, so the two remote controls for Samsung TVs that I got off Amazon. I got them as a 2-pack for $9.47 for both of them, which I thought was a heck of a deal. The old ones were just, some buttons weren't working and sticking, and I had swapped one out from the one TV, so we really don't use it much in my bedroom, and it started acting a little funky too. So saw these on Amazon, and this is the main difference: is the Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video button. And so these be the original ones. I put them side by side from one of the originals. And this is another one of the originals. So I mean, they're a little bit different. They're not exactly the same, but for under $10 for two, I thought that was a pretty good deal. Here they are on there. So, yeah, they both work pretty good. I have no complaints with them so far. I mean, I don't really use the channel buttons. I mainly use the arrow buttons, the return, the exit, the Hulu button. You know, I mean, I don't volume. I mean, we don't have cable, so I don't really flip through channels or anything like that anymore. Back, when we lived at the last house, before we bought this one, we had cable, and we decided not to go with cable when we moved here. But yeah, I would call this a good purchase. So if you have a Samsung TV with remote something like this, and they start getting funky on you, go check out Amazon and pick up one of these, because it seems to work pretty good so far. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one.